Everyone, welcome to my channel Greet Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all the support, guys. So today's pick a card reading is going to be what your angel wants you to know. So your angel messages, this is going to be that kind of reading, or angel guidance, you can say, advice from your angel. So whatever the messages come through, I will talk about it. Okay, so we have three groups over here. I have kept three cards here. You can select. This is the first group with this blue color, the number 2 for the first group people. The second group is number 3 with the red color, and third group with 8 number and yellow color. Okay, so you can just close your eyes, connect with yourself, and just intuitively select a group, and that might have a message for you. Okay, so the timestamps will be in the description box below. You can go ahead and watch it. So I'll be starting my video with the group number 1. Okay, so let's start. Hello group 1 who will choose this number 2 with this blue color, and we will be doing charms and letters also, so stick around until the end. Okay, so your messages from the angels, what your angels want you to know, or what is their guidance, so that all we are gonna talk about. So I have already shuffled your cards over here, so let's see. Okay, so so with this number 2, I feel you're blessed. Okay, you're blessed, your angels are blessing you. The number 2 is about blessed, feeling blessed, and energy is coming together. I feel like that with this number 2. And with this blue color, I feel you need to have faith in your angels, in yourself. I feel you don't believe in your capabilities. I feel for many of you, you're not believing in your potential, you're not in your power. You don't believe in yourself. You believe, you're believing that you're weak and you will not be able to achieve the things you want to achieve in your life. Sometimes you feel like you're a loser or something like that. So angels are telling you to, the angels want you to know that it's not the case. Okay, you have to believe in yourself. You have to be confident about yourself. You have to be confident about your own capabilities. Okay, and don't let anyone else say that you are not deserving about something. Okay, if your heart says it, just go for it. Don't deceive yourself. Okay, don't be your own enemy. Okay, because of other people. Okay, so you need to have more faith, and you have to work on your creative ideas, because you are very, very creative people. With this blue color, I feel you're creative. You want to do something creative, and just go for it. Don't let anything stop you. Okay, look, with this five of air energy here, and unwise choice. Learn what you can from the situation. Review everyone's motives. Okay, so with this 5 of swords energy here, there are people around you who are not so good for you. They might be like smiling and all, but they will gossip about you, or they will let you down. They will make they will start an argument, and they will feel you that you are wrong, you are at fault, because they want to win at any cost. So even if it's in a workplace or anywhere in your life, you are at this situation where there are people who are not good for you. So you need to know that who is good for you, who is your friend. Okay, who is letting you down, who is demotivating you, who is jealous of you. Maybe there are people who are jealous of you, and they don't want you to move ahead in your life. Okay, they don't want to see your success. So there are these kind of people around you. So you need to know that. Okay, and if anyone has let you down, if anyone is putting negative vibes, if they're making you feel like a loser, then remember that they're not good for you. Just get out of that situation. Okay, so yeah, look, you have new opportunities coming your way with this ace of earth. Look, the inflow of abundance, a promising business venture, important documents or contracts. So you are, you have, if you have applied for a job or something, you might get it. Yes, you need to get out of the situation where there are people that are not serving you. If you want to do something by yourself, if you want to do something creative, and these people are telling you that you will not be successful, don't listen to them. Okay, believe in yourself, believe in angels, believe in your own faith. Don't let anyone else's thinking affect you in a negative way. Okay, don't let that negativity affect you. You need to be more positive about yourself. You need to trust yourself, your capabilities. Okay, I feel there are people around you who are just demotivating you because they don't want you to succeed. I feel like that with this 5 of air. I completely feel like that. Look at that, we got the number 2 again with the high priestess, Archangel Haniel. Okay, listen to your intuition, have patience, consider carefully what you want before acting. Okay, so here I feel Archangel Haniel wants you to know that you need to trust your heart here. You need to trust your intuition here. You need to go towards your goals. You need to go towards your dreams and have faith in them. Okay, trust your intuition. Okay, that's the thing. If you're feeling very if you feel very stressed, just meditate, relax, and call upon your angels. They will give you the answer. Just trust your intuition. What you want from your heart, just go for it. And that will give you the opportunities. And these people, don't listen to other people who are like this kind of 5 of swords energy people, who are like gossiping, who are not good for you. Just don't listen. Just listen to your heart. That's what your angel wants you to know. Don't listen to other people. Just listen to your heart. Listen to your intuition, and just think what you actually want from your life, and move forward and have faith. Okay, look, when you do that, look, your energies will be coming together. You will be transforming with this butterfly. Feel like that. The power of creativity. I told you, you are creative people. Trust in your creativity. You are meant to be like in a powerful position. I feel like that. Recognition for very high quality work. Okay, so if you're in a career where you are not being recognized, here with this 5 of air, where there are people are letting you down, they're saying that your work is not good, don't trust them. Just do your work. Okay, get out of this situation, get out of that. These people are not serving you any good. You have new opportunities coming towards your, you just accept that. You're not accepting, I feel like that, because you're fearful. Don't let your fear affect you in any way. Just let your intuition, just listen to your intuition. That is what I want to say, and go with it, because you're going to be very successful in that. You will be recognized for your work, you will be recognized for your creativity, and you are a very good team player. When you will be collaborating with other people, you will do very good. You might collaborate in the future also, and that will be very successful. Okay, so here you're ready for that. Okay, you're ready, you're completely ready for that. Okay, so just go for it. Don't anyone stop you from it. Don't let your fear stop from you from it. Don't become your own enemy here. For some people, you are the one who is stopping yourself because you don't believe in yourself. So have faith. You're ready for that. You have all the resources. Just go for it. You have the creativity, you have the talent. Just go for it. You're going to be the team player. Okay, look, face your fears, release the power of fear. So you're very you doubt yourself. Because of other people. For some of you, because they think that you're not worthy, and they're making you feel like that. That's not the case. You're worthy. Okay, you are talented. Believe in your creativity and just move forward. Okay, again the blue color here. Look, it's time to speak your truth. It's time to do the things you want to do. Okay, it's time to face your fears. It's time to move forward with your dreams, goals. Okay, and have faith. Okay, have faith in your creativity. Look, friends, all the love your light extends, its reflection shown in chosen friends. Okay, so here I feel there are friends who are good for you, and there are these kind of friends who are not good for you also. So you need to know, you need to trust that what your intuition says. I feel you have a lot of friends and you don't know who you should trust. So at that time, you need to trust your gut feeling. Okay, so because there are friends who are demotivating you, I feel like that they are putting that fear inside you. You need to let go of them. Rainbows in our forest, no trees debate. Rainbows stand with love, not hate. So yes, I feel with this rainbow, your tough period is going to be over. When you get out of this situation, you are gonna rock. Okay, I feel like that this tough situation is gonna over. You just need to face your fears. You need to have faith in yourself, in your creativity. When you do that and when you move forward, you're gonna rock. Okay, so that is what your angels want you to know. Okay, the rainbows are gonna come, after the rain, the rainbows come. So yeah, that's the thing here. So what your charms have for you for group number 1? Let's see. For my group number 1, let's see what are the charms. what the angel wants you to know for group number 1. Okay, we got the letter T. T might be important for you. Okay, letter T. Or you're a Taurus or something, because we have this. Or a Taurus person is like important to you something. Yeah, there is a lot of earth energy here with this 3 of earth, ace of earth, right? High priestess energy is also there. Okay, so I feel like that the earth energy is strong here. Okay, let's see the letters also for group number 1. Or you want to do something, you want to do tarot or something with the T. Okay, you fear about that because you're not good enough or something like that, because your limiting beliefs is, or other people don't like that. Just don't let anyone stop you from doing that. Okay, if you want to do that, okay, so just don't let anyone stop you, because if you want to do that, if you want to do tarot or something like that, spiritually something, I feel you are intuitive. Okay, with this high priestess card. Okay, that might be a specific message for someone over there. Okay, so let's see what your letters have for you for group number 1. Okay, R E, wait a second, I'll just keep on top of this. So this is like R E R, then we have N over here, M A, B N E. Okay. I just got a name, Rima. Okay, Rima. Someone is Rima here. Okay, I don't know. It's a message for Rima. Okay, M-A. Okay, Rima here. That is the word I got. Okay, so let's see the charms. Okay, so the numbers you got 3 number. And yeah, 3 number is also about creativity. Don't question your creativity here, because you're creative people. Okay, I feel like that is the message with this 3 number for you. I feel like that. 11 number, master number 11. You might be a master number 11 also. 11 might be important to you guys. With this 11 number, again 1 plus 1 is 2, balancing of the energies. Justice card, you will get your justice. I feel like that. Okay, so just don't let anyone stop you from, I feel there are people around you who is stopping, maybe your friends or someone who is not in that good interest for you. Okay, you feel like that they are they want you to be happy or something, but they are not like that. They don't want you to grow. I feel like that. So just trust your intuition with that. Okay, if you feel like that they are not good for you, they are not. Look, you have so many creative ideas. Again, the sun is shining. You are creative people. Don't question your creativity. Okay, you're meant to be free. You're a free spirit. Okay, you can do whatever you want to do. Don't let anyone stop you from achieving the things you want to achieve in your life. That is the thing here. Look, again, keep moving forward. Courageously keep moving forward. And look, hard work will pay off. Your hard work will pay off, pay off, pay off. You will reap the sweet abundance. Yeah, magic is gonna happen with this dragonfly. I feel like that. You can survive anywhere. Okay, don't, your creativity, you are so creative that you will be very, very successful. And you are right now, you're questioning yourself. Don't do that. Okay, don't self-doubt yourself, because there are people around you who are making that, they're putting into your head. So you need to work with your heart. You need to listen to your gut feeling. Okay, here, look, there is so much of anger. Someone is very, very angry. I feel like there are people who don't, who are not in best interest for you. They are very jealous of you. They're very angry of you because you're growing, you are creative, and they're jealous of it. And that is why they are putting that onto you, and you are believing in it. So it's time to let that out, release that kind of energies from your life, and work on yourself, work on your creativity, and move forward with that. Okay, don't doubt, because with this 3 of earth energy here, you are going to transform, you're going to be successful. Okay, you in the future you might collaborate also with someone, and you will be recognized for that. Okay, so don't let anyone stop you from that, because you are ready to move forward. Okay, that is what your angels want you to know. Okay, so that's all I have for group number 1. If you like the reading, please give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 2, whoever chose this 3 number with this red color. So let's see what is your message, what your angels wants you to know. Okay, and yeah, what are the advice or guidance, anything, okay, like that. And stick around, because I'll be doing charms and letters also. So let's see what are your messages. So with this 3 number and this red color, I feel like that you need to balance your root chakra with the stability day-to-day life. You're stressing with your day-to-day life activities, I feel like that, because you have so much on the plate. Okay, okay, and I feel you need to connect more with your divine. Okay, relax, meditate, take some time out. Are you spending time, your alone time? You are getting some alone time? Okay, are you just working, because we have this 10 of fire energy. You're working so much, you're all the time working, you have so much of work. You are, you're these kind of people who are, you don't take a 5 minutes break also. You're just working for yourself, for your career, for your home. You're managing both your career and your home, and you're feeling stressed. Okay, for some of you, you're not taking a break. You need to take your health seriously. You have back, for some of you there is, you have back pain or something like pain in your body, and you're not paying attention to that, because you have so much of work. You are stressing about everyone in the family, you are stressing about your work, you're stressing about your home. You have to clean, you have to do cook, you have so much things going on here. I feel like that was the 10 of fire. So remember, angels want you to know that this is just a temporary situation, and you need to ask help also. You don't try to do everything by yourself. You need to ask help also. Okay, sometimes it's okay to say no also. If you don't want to do something, okay, just say no. And I feel for many of you, you're very ambitious about something. You're ambitious about your goals, dreams. So keep on moving forward. Okay, don't let anyone stop you. Okay, this is just a temporary situation where you're feeling exhausted mentally. Some of you are feeling exhausted mentally, some of you are feeling exhausted physically, but this is just a temporary situation. You will get out of it. So your angel wants you to know that. Okay, so just connect with your angels, because with this 3 number, I feel like that you can connect with them. Just meditate, ask them for help. If you feel that no one will help you around physically, I feel your angels can help you. Okay, so that is also coming here. And just pay attention to your health, and just work out if you're not working out, because you don't have time to work out, right? Because so you need to have that. You need to make some time for yourself. Okay, that is also important. For some of you, you have some project going on and you're just stressing about it. So remember, everything will be all right. Just accept help from others, and don't try to do everything by yourself, because some of you are doing that also. So I feel like that you will reach there. It's just a temporary situation right now. The angel wants you to know. Okay, 6 of water. You have worked hard. I feel like that. Okay, so for some of you, this is a very specific message. For if you have kids, you're just worrying about them. They're not doing their homework or something like that. You have to sit with them and make them do homework, and maybe they are putting a lot of pressure on you also, and that's why you are stressed about their studies or something like that. Or just don't worry, they will be okay. Okay, if your kids are offering help, accept that. Okay, make them do some work. Okay, let them also help you with the cleaning and all. Okay, and for some of you, I feel like that someone is coming from your past. Okay, there is the soulmate energy also coming here. Maybe you will just reconnect with a past friend, text them. Okay, so that is also happening. So just enjoy that. Okay, I feel like that you need to enjoy, take some time out, talk with your friends, connect with yourself, connect with your inner self also. I feel like that also. Yeah, you need to you need to text your friends also. I feel like that if you're not doing that because you're so busy here with your life, you need to some crazy, in the past you might have spent quality time with your friends and now you don't do that. So it's time, just call your friends and have a fun time. That is also coming here with the Seven of Earth. Okay, so you're patiently waiting for something. You have planted the seeds and you're thinking that your hard work is not paying off. With this Ten of Fire, that also makes sense. You have and this Six of Water, in the in the past you have worked a lot. Okay, you have worked a lot and you're feeling that you're not you're not achieving your goals. You have worked so hard, you have been working for so long, and you hoped for so many things and you're not getting it, so you're feeling stressed about it also. You're feeling exhausted about that. So don't stress, because when you stress a lot, the stress will manifest. Okay, so it will take more time. Everything will happen at the divine timing. So don't stress. Be that vibrant energy, joyful energy. You need to maintain that. Have fun time with your kids. Okay, you can have fun time with your kids if you have kids, or have fun time with your partner. Have fun time with your friends. If you have a cat or a dog, have some quality time with them, or do something that you enjoy by yourself, like dancing, singing, whatever. Do something. Okay, you are stressing a lot, just get out of that energy, guys. Okay, look, angels are telling you have planted the seeds very well. You don't have to worry. It's an unnecessary worry here. It's just temporary worry. You will get there. I told you already, you will get whatever you deserve. You will get. No one is going to take that away. Okay, you have planted it well. Just keep on moving forward courageously. Keep on moving forward without stressing. Okay, and when you feel like you need to take a break, listen to your gut feeling. Okay, if your heart is saying you need to pay attention to your health, just pay attention. Okay, don't ignore your intuition here. Look, the last card, you are you can manifest your desires here. Use law of attraction, because with this Magician card, magical things are gonna happen. I feel like that everything you are hoping for will come. Okay, maybe in a different way. I feel like that, maybe more in a more better way. I feel like that, because with this one number, new opportunities will be coming towards you, and you have everything. You can make it happen. You're very creative people also. With this Magician card, you have everything. You have all the resources to make anything happen. Okay, you can make your dream life. Your angels are telling you. Okay, this one card is very powerful. And if you have a question in your mind, it's a yes, because with this Magician card, I feel like that it's a yes. Okay, if you're questioning whether this will be successful, yes, it's going to be successful. You don't have to worry. Just you need to come in this playful energy. Okay, don't stress too much, because when you stress, that is going to manifest. That's what your angels want you to know. Just keep on working towards your goals, but at the same time, don't stress about it. Just keep on working. Okay, you are ready. You have the resources or the ability to manifest them. Life is magical. You have it. You can create your dream life, guys. So don't worry here. Look, big happy changes. So yeah, something is changes are coming in your life, and I feel it's going to be different from what you expected. Maybe slightly different. Okay, and that will make you more happy. I feel like that, so it will be like you will be feeling so happy, feeling so like that kind of energy where you will be like, wow, I didn't expect this much. Like that kind of energy is coming here. So yeah, new beginnings. Begin your new life. So this will be like a new life for you, something new, something better than you expected. I feel like that is coming towards you. So angels are telling, just be patient now. Okay, work hard, but don't stress. Be in this childlike energy. Okay, connect with the divine. Have faith in your dreams. Okay, you have this magician power. I feel like that you're manifestors. Okay, maybe your life path number 1. Okay, that is also happening. So with this one, new beginnings, and we have this new beginnings over here also, and with this 10, a cycle is completing. Okay, and you're getting there. You're reaching your goals, whether it's in a relationship. So if you hoped for a person, you will get better than that. Okay, whatever you're hoping for, it will be better than that. I feel like that, whatever it is. Look, backpack, get your compass, adventure is yours. Get out of the city and enjoy the outdoors. So that is the thing. You are so busy in your life, you're not enjoying yourself, you're not taking a break. That is what your energy should be, like this, where you are taking, you're enjoying yourself, you are having fun. That is what your angel wants you to know, that it's time to take rest, take a vacation, and break free from this and concentrate on your health also. I feel like that. And when you do that, your energy, when you will come in this energy, you will manifest quickly. Otherwise you will be manifesting the stress only. Okay, so remember that. Look, gratitude, everything will be all right, everything will be all right. Fairies dance in your delight. So have gratitude towards your angels, have gratitude towards the things you have so far achieved. Okay, that is also important, because big happy changes are coming for you guys. Anyways, let's see what your angels have for you from this charms. Okay, so for my group 2, let's see, we can see the letters later. Okay, we have this B also. Hard work is paying off. Okay, like be prideful. You're like, you can attract anything. With this peacock also, I feel this magician energy, where peacock are so beautiful, they attract so many people, right? So you will also be like peacock, you will attract so many things into your life. Look for stability. Stability is there. Okay, you're stressing, but you the problem is in your energy. I feel like that you're stressing a lot. Why? Don't stress. Look, you can connect with the divine with this this third eye chakra color. I feel like that with this color you can connect with your divine. Here, love. Look, again with this red color, this Aries, just keep moving forward. Think about yourself, have some free time. Important. Love. Go. You know where you need to go. Just go. Focus on your goals, not on your stress. Take risk and move forward with this line. Some of you are Leos or Aries, fire sign. You don't have to be, but I feel like that. So yeah, go out and have fun. Love yourself. Self time. You have the keys to all your problems. There will be solutions coming. You don't have to worry. Big happy changes are on your way. Okay, so don't hang to the past. Just let this go. Don't hang to something that is not working out. Just let it go. So sometimes what happens, we stress so much about something, and when we let that go, beautiful things happen, manifest. So you're not letting it go completely. If you're stressing about something, just let it go. Okay, don't stress about your finances or your career or your relationship. Don't stress about it. Just let it go, let it flow. Be in the present moment and enjoy your present moment. Have joyful energy, playful energy, have gratitude. And when you do that, changes are gonna come. Big changes. That is what they are telling. Angels are letting you know. So you will be completely in a different zone. I feel like that, completely different situation. Look, big happy changes. Yeah, just keep going forward courageously. Don't stop. What you're doing, just keep on doing. I feel like that. You have all the resources. Okay, listen to your intuition and keep on working on yourself, on your dreams. With the 7 of Earth, you are just stressing whether it will work out or not. It is going to work out. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so let's see what are the letters for you guys for my group 2. What your angels want you to know. We have A here, blank, O, T, W, T, A, oh my, lots of A, O, again A, new beginnings, A, N, J, and I. Okay, we have a name over here. G, okay, then what? Not. No. Maybe sometimes you need to say no. Okay. Okay, I got this atta word. Okay, so wheat flour, atta. It's a Hindi word. It's wheat flour. Okay, so you have to. I don't know if this makes sense to anyone over here. I don't know. Okay, or maybe Tata. Okay, Tata. That is also here. Just saying. Okay, so okay, you will win. Yes, look, you will win. Okay, you don't have to worry. You will win for sure. You're worrying a lot. Whether your hard work will pay off or not, your hard work is gonna pay off. Okay. So that's all I have for group number 2. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye. Take care. Group number 3, who chose this 8 number with this yellow color. So let's see. I feel with this color, you need to have more positive thoughts. Okay, be more optimistic. Okay, uh, be hopeful about your dreams, your goals, your relationship, whatever the case is, whatever the situation is. Your angel wants you to know that be positive about it. Very, very positive. Positivity is important here. Okay, don't let negative thoughts ruin your day, or negative people ruin your day. So I feel you need to be more positive towards life. That is what your angel wants you to know. And with this 8 color abundance, I feel 8 number is all about abundance, prosperity. So you will get that abundance, prosperity, but you are stressing a lot. Put your energy towards the things you actually want to do, and be positive about it. Whatever your outcome is, don't stress about it. Be positive about it. So page of earth, 10 of earth, okay, 9 of earth, and the stars. Look at the color here, 3 greens, and greens are all about abundance, and it's all about earth energy here. So you might be in earth energy or an Aquarius here with the star card, Virgo, Capricorn. You don't have to be, but I feel with these cards you might be an earth sign or an Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo energy, Taurus energy is here. So yeah, you are, I feel for many of you it's all about you're stressing about your finances here. I feel like that. So angels want you to know that you don't have to stress about your finances here. Look, you have this 9 and 10. Okay, and you have an 8 also. 1 plus 7, 8. You have 8, 9, 10. So you are gonna step forward. Okay, we have this 8 energy here also, right? So you are gonna move forward in your life. Okay, you don't have to stress about anything. With this all green, you are going to be very, very abundant. Your financial needs will be met. If you're stressing about your finances, if you have started something by yourself, if you do some business or something, don't stress about it, because it is going to be successful. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything. This is kind of a very positive pile, but I feel you're not positive. Your energy is not positive. You're not hopeful at all about things, because you feel that things are not balancing out for you well. Okay, and but here I can see with this 10 of earth, your family life will be good. You will have all the abundance, like that 9 of earth also. You will be enjoying your career also at the same time. You will, for some of you it's like you're single, and you will be having all the finances, and you will be meeting someone who will give you a good family life also, and you will be enjoying with them. Your wishes are going to be fulfilled. Okay, with the star card, I feel like your wishes are going to be fulfilled. So angels are telling to put more positive thoughts into your life. So that is the first thing angel wants you to know. You have so much of potential here. I feel you have started something. I feel there is, look, good news about financial matters, wanting to do something more challenging, a new area of study. So if you are planning to do something more creative, just go for it. Be positive about it, because you're going to be very, very successful about, you will be very, very successful with this 9 of earth energy and 10 of earth energy. Your finances will be meant, your family life will be good. If you're single, you will be providing, financially you will be providing to your family. You will be you'll be enjoying your career so nice. You will be happy about yourself. You will be proud about yourself. So at this time, you need to be more positive and optimistic about your goals. Okay, just keep on working, be more optimistic. Okay, so that is the main thing that is coming out. You have so much of green, you have so much of abundance coming into your life. So only the thing you need to concentrate right now is to keep moving forward with your goals. At the same time, believe in it. Okay, believe in it, and look, you're on the right path. So whatever you're doing, if you're doubting yourself, no, don't doubt about it, because you will be receiving all the blessings. Oh my god, this is like so abundant. Your all financial needs will be met. So for here, I feel this pile people are thinking about you're stressed about your career, right? So if you're stressed about your career, angels are letting you know that you don't have to stress about it. So whatever you have started creatively, so maybe if you're on a social media, or you have started a YouTube channel, or you have started some Instagram page, it will be successful. Okay, you will be able to make money out of it. You will be having a successful business venture. I feel like that for many of you, or maybe for some of you, you are doing some family business. Okay, you will be successful in that also. I feel like that. And many of your family life, if you are already married, okay, your family will be very supportive, and your finances will all be good. You will be okay. If your finances are not okay right now, you need to be they are going to be okay. That is what your angels want you to know. And your family life also is going to be okay, no problem at all. Just you need to have more positive thinking. Just include more positive thinking into your life. That is what they are saying. And you are on the right path. Okay, just keep moving forward with it. Okay, look, the situation will improve. So maybe your finances are not good right now. You're feeling that you didn't get some you might had some failures or something like that. You felt like things are not going the way you want, and you're questioning whether you're on the right path or not. The angels want you to know that you are on the right path right now. Just take some time out. Just be positive. Be positive. That is the thing. You need to put more positive energy into your life. The sun energy, sun is all about joyfulness. Sun gives you warmth. Okay, so be like that. Be patient with yourself, and connect with angels, and just keep moving forward. Don't stop. Okay, whatever you're doing, keep on doing, because the situation, whatever the situation is, that is going to improve. With this dolphin, I feel like they are saying that we have the sun here also. So yeah, sun is gonna shine on you. You don't have to worry about anything, but you are worrying, I know. So be positive. So if you're stressing a lot, just meditate and write all the thoughts that you can't control, and just burn it off. Okay, so that will be helpful for you guys. I feel like that. Legends, look, this is also green color, right? Learn from those who inspire you. Okay, so if you're in a creative field, if you're in a business field, you can learn from others also. So the people who inspires you, just learn from them, and apply it in your work. Be positive. Just keep moving forward. Don't stop. Don't give up. All the three piles is all about career. It's like the first same message is that don't give up and just keep moving forward. And it's the same for you guys. But you guys will be having so much of plenty of abundance, prosperity. You will be very, very prosperous in whatever you're doing. I feel a lot of money, I feel like that for this pile. And some wishes are going to get fulfilled, and your relationship will also be very good. I feel like that with your family. If you're not married, with your family members, with your father or mother, it will be good. Or if you're married, all the things will be okay in your family. Your financial needs will be covered. So whatever the situation is right now, it is going to improve. Okay, don't worry. And you can learn from other people and apply it in yourself. If you feel like you need to do this, just do it. Don't stop. Okay, trust. Look, trust. Breathe in, breathe out. Let go of the doubt. You have so much of doubt. Three piles had that doubt. It's like the same message here also, that you need to trust more. You need to trust in yourself. Trust in the universe that your wishes will be fulfilled. That is the thing. Positive vibes. More positive vibes. Write. Make some cut a paper and write positive vibes only, and paste it somewhere so that you can see it. It will help you maybe. Or put in your phone, put a wallpaper of that, something like that that gives you positive vibe, or something that gives you positive vibe. Put that. Courage, young heart. Stand tall. Don't let the love decrease. You are a warrior of peace. Okay, so you're stressing out a lot. Be courageous, guys. Keep moving forward. You have the potential, and your energies, the energies that are coming is this. You have this potential. Remember that. Okay, so your angels want you to know that. Be positive about. Have positive thoughts. Whenever you have some thoughts, you can visualize it. Good things. Visualize the best. not the worst. And don't think things will not be okay. Don't think like that. Think like everything will be okay, and just more positive affirmations are, you need something like that. I feel like that you just need to change your vibration, and when you will change, I think everything will be on place for you guys. So that is what I have for group 3. Let's see what are your charms have to add. Okay, for my group 3, what are angels want to do? Okay, I'll take the letters also. Look, you're on the right path. We got here. You're on the right path, guys. If you're doubting about that, don't doubt. You're on the right path. Okay. Okay, I feel like taking a little more for you guys. So let's see. Okay. And we have like, be confident. Courageously move forward. Don't let anything stop you. Okay, with this orange color, I feel like that. We are very creative also. Just step out of your comfort zone, guys. Okay, if you want, if you have, sometimes you need to take a risk also. I feel like that. If you don't, when you take a risk, when you get out of your comfort zone, it will be good for you. I feel like that you need to get out of your comfort zone. Stick to the plan, keep on working. Okay, desire for big, desire for the stars and moons, and you will achieve that. Go high. You're very ambitious. Just believe in it. Okay, believe in it. Completely believe in your dreams, your goals. Love, I feel you will be recognized also. You'll be respected also for your work. I feel like that. Look, tree of life, your ancestors are there with you. I feel like, look, so much of ancestors, divine is helping you. So you're divinely guided people also. Just trust your gut feeling, your intuition, your creative ideas. Look, angels are there with you. So just, okay, some of you are Aries sign, or maybe you need to move forward courageously. Aries are very courageous people, so you need to be more courageous. I feel like that. Okay, have confidence in yourself. That is what. JP, okay, RECMDNNKOU, okay, and A. Okay. Okay, so let me see if any words. Tan and is this someone's name over here? Okay, and okay, then I'm very bad at this, right? Okay, wait, do we have anything? I'm not getting anything. Oh god. Red, look, red color. Okay, so red is all about be ambitious and keep moving forward with your goals and dreams. And this Aries color also, I vibe with red. So yes, just move forward courageously. Okay, I feel like that. Or maybe your root chakra. Okay, your root chakra need to be balanced. That is also here. Okay. Okay, so I feel like computer, you're learning some computer. Okay, maybe if you're doing something, you need to learn something more about the software or something like that. Computer something, I don't know, but that is also coming here for some of you. Or maybe you need to advance your technology for your marketing or something like that, for your business if you have. Okay. Okay. Let's. Okay. If you get any words, please comment down below. Okay. Or .com. Maybe you should start a website or something. I don't know why I said that, but I feel like com we have .com. Like that kind of. I just spelled it, so I said. Okay. So if you have anything else, just words, comment down below. Okay. I will see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.